Hi guys, it's your librarian, Mrs. Main, and today is September the 24th, is National Punctuation Day. So we all love to speak, to write, and to read, right? So the things that make all this possible are not only the words, but also the punctuation, because it tells us what emotion to give it, how to make us feel, and if we should answer a question or not. So let's take a look. All right. So our typical punctuation is a period, right? And periods help us write sentences, such as the dog went to the store. You would end that with a period. The dog went to the store. And I could put a period, and that's a declarative statement, just saying, hey, the dog went to the store. But if I do this, and I add a line on the top, it becomes an exclamation point on top of the period, and it goes, the dog went to the store? Wow! And that shows a lot of excitement and emotion, right? Now, if I take off the exclamation point, and go do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do, there we go, off that. And then instead of the period or the exclamation point, I do a little question mark on the top. And it says, the dog went to the store? See how my tone changes? And it becomes a question, right? Instead of, the dog went to the store, or the dog went to the store, it's, the dog went to the store? Oh, okay. Now, punctuation is so much fun. It can change the way that we say a sentence. It turns it from just a straight sentence into an exciting sentence, into a question. But don't forget also about your commas and your semicolons. Okay. So if I wrote the sentence, rain is wet, that's a sentence, right? I could put a little period right here. But what if I want to continue on? Okay, I want to combine two sentences together. I can use what we call a semicolon. And that's got the little dot on the top and the comma on the bottom. And then I can say, rain is wet. And I would say, I need my jacket, my boots, put boots. Okay? And then you can put the period at the end. So a semicolon combines two short sentences together. Now, what if I just have this without the semicolon, just a comma? That means that it's a run-on sentence, and that's no good, right? Okay, so now I took out, I said rain is wet, comma, my boots. So I need to fill this in, right? So this time we're only going to use a comma and a fanboy. A fanboy is a connector word, like and, or, but, nor, okay? And So I'm going to say, comma, but I lost my boots. So now I have rain is wet, comma, but I lost my boots. So as you can see, it combines rain is wet, which is one sentence, I lost my boots, which is the second sentence. So a comma and a fanboy make up two sentences combined together. So that's how you use some of our great punctuation. Today for an activity, you guys can go to ABC word cloud and design your own word clouds about punctuation. And you can print them off, you can take a picture of them, show them to your teachers, put them up in your classroom, whatever you guys like to do. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye.